Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of our July monthly subscription box. This month's theme is Stargazer, so it's going to be all things stars and celestial, moons, things like that. I think this is one of my favorite sub boxes that we've ever done so far. So I'm really excited to do this unboxing and a flip through and show you everything that comes in this box. So if you are new here and you aren't familiar with our subscription, every single month we have a brand new theme, and this is everything that it comes with. Our subscription box is valued at a little over $60, but we have it available for subscribers for $24. So that's a really good deal, but if you're not ready to commit, you can grab it for $30 as a one-time purchase. But luckily this weekend we are doing a little sub box promo, so it's gonna be $27 as a one-time purchase, so you get 10% off, which is a really fantastic deal because you are getting a ton of stickers. And let's just go ahead and get into the flip through. So I'm gonna start with the foil. I always like starting with this. The foil this month, we picked gold to go with the celestial theme. So here are the 6 sheet of foils that your box might come with. We had a little more variety this month, so your 6 sheets of foil might be a little bit different, but the overall theme is still gonna be celestial stars, and it will be in gold foil, so it'll match with the subscription regardless. But just in case you're wondering, some of the foils might be a little bit different since we had just a lot to choose from this month. So starting with this first sheet, we have casting spells. I thought the planets and the moon stars really fit with this month's theme. Next we have a sparkle garland, super pretty. And then we have this type of garland. It's called Fancy Star Garland, and there are little stars. They're super cute and detailed. Then of course we had to include some date dots. Then we have these hanging stars, and these are individual stickers. And then lastly, of course, we have some sparkle deco, which is really perfect to jazz up your spread. Okay, next we have 2 deco sheets. This one is just the kit deco that matches with the artwork in this kit. So there's a ton of celestial themed items in here, super cute. And then we also have the matching floral deco to go with your kit. So those are the 2 deco sheets. Next we have a journaling card, and I absolutely love this one. It's a teacup in a really pretty mug. We have some dried florals, and then this is like a book or journal. Super cute. We have some cute little tea lights. Just very cute and cozy, and I just love the celestial theme of it. And then moving on, let's do the journaling kit. Let's save the best for last. So here is a close look of the journaling kit. Our journaling kits are 2 pages, and this is really perfect to use in addition to the weekly kit, or if you have a Hobonichi. I believe this fits the A5 planner. I might be wrong, but it is designed for one of the Hobonichis, not the Hobonichi Weeks, but the size that is a little bit wider than that one. So this is our journaling kit. It comes with a little bit of everything, which I really love about our journaling kits. So you have some more journaling / scrapbooking aesthetic type of stickers. So we have these torn pages here. We have a faux stamp, which is super cute. Then we have some of these typescript stickers, little faux washi strips. These are super cute. They're my favorite. They are the faux wax seals. I think they're so cute. We have some more deco in here, clip art, and lots of boxes. You also have some days of the week scripts, some bottom washi strips, circles, more clip art, more little scrapbooking elements, and then you have lots and lots of boxes to write on. So I absolutely love our journaling kits. They're really great value and they just have so much variety, which I love. Okay, and then lastly, we have our 4-page foiled weekly kit. This is definitely the star of the show for our subscription. Here is a closer look at the full boxes. So I absolutely love the scene clip art that we chose for this month. I think they are super detailed and pretty. This one's like a bedroom. I love this one. It's like a library. We have that same mug that we used for the journaling card, and then the matching floral and deco and all of the sparkles of the foiling. And then down here we just have some faux watercolor, faux washi strips, but they're more like paint swatches. Here's the headers page, and then we also have some of the bottom washi here. So closer look at the headers. The headers are all foiled, super pretty. And then here is the bottom washi. You get a scalloped one, a thin one, and then a thick one. Then we have our essentials page, which comes with, again, a little bit of everything. We have some of these super cute faux sticky notes up here, more of these watercolor swatches. Then we have our checklists, which I use every single day. And then we have our sidebar stickers. So we have some habit trackers, this weekly sticker if you're like tracking workouts or something. We have a full box here. Down here at the bottom we have these really pretty foiled scalloped circles. And then over here on the side we have our days of the week stickers, which so pretty. I love the watercolor with the foil combo. And then lastly, the final page, we have our boxes. So we have these mid-sized boxes, these smaller square ones that are foiled. Then we have some of these mini boxes. These are quarter boxes, 1/3 boxes, and I love how these are, they have like little fancy corners to them. And then we have our half boxes and our scalloped half circles. So that is the boxes page, and it's all foiled, super nice. So that is the Stargazer weekly kit. So that is everything that comes in our subscription box. Again, it's on sale this weekend, $24 for subscribers, or if you just want to grab it as a one-time purchase, it is $27. But definitely go and grab these. I think this month is going to be really popular, so I'll have it linked in the description. And if we have any leftovers, we will be listing them in the shop next month, so definitely stay tuned for that if you're watching this video later. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!